It's a beautiful December morning. Hunting down here in Southeastern Alabama. Some property my family purchased last fall. Last year, we hooked up with a well-known wildlife biologist. He was able to come out here late spring and get us set up with a plan for how we're going to implement this property moving forward. We're in the early stages of this, trying to get our soils right, get the fields the way we want them, and get our deer harvest numbers up so that we can actually grow something. This property has an incredible number of deer. And while we're planting, I don't know, about 50 acres on 400 of it, this summer, food plots couldn't keep up. Deer ate every bit of the plants that we planted, and none of them made it to maturity. None of them made it past a couple weeks. So we had to harvest some deer, get our numbers down. And the purpose of that is so that we can provide enough food for the deer that are here so that they can express their full potential. Now, let's kind of wait and see if our fields, compared to our utilization cages as the food plots continue growing, show some improvement. If there's a big difference, then you may have too many deer for the amount of food that you have on the property. It's a big Carroll utilization cage. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look like much difference inside and out. So we're kind of observing, seeing if what we've harvested is enough, and if so, we're back to hunting big bucks. Take a quick look over here at the pond. Ducks are going nuts this morning. Man, these food plots are looking good. This is just a small piece that we planted. But I'll tell you, it's looking nice. So Dr. Grant, this is some of the poorest soil that we have on the property, I would say. As you can see, it's coming in nicely. I don't see too many tops eaten off right here. There's some. Yep. They're eating it. They're eating it. Deer gotta eat too. But that's okay. That's what we're doing it for. So thanks, Dr. Grant, for your input this summer, and also earlier this fall, getting us set up for this hunting season. Deer are loving the food plots, absolutely loving them. We got a journey ahead of us. We got a lot of work to do, and we're going to continue this hopefully for years to come. Growing big deer, enjoying the nature and God's creation, and just being out here with family and friends. It's just a beautiful thing. And as you can see, this place is just incredible. It is stunning. We're going to make it even better.